what you're looking at now is the clay pipe, and eventually we'll transition into the Orangeburg pipe at the property line. It's at the right where the sidewalk meets the front yard is the property line. Okay, so we're coming up on that. Okay, so right now this is the Orangeburg. This is Orangeburg pipe, and as you can see, it's flat on the bottom. It's delaminating. It's blistered. I don't know where this water's coming from. This is just the leftover water from when I flushed the toilet earlier. It's just flat on the bottom, and it's collapsing. It's got root intrusion. More delamination, more out around. That section's not horrible. This side's getting bad. It looks like there was a tree there that they had to take out. I see an old stump. Yeah, it starts getting bad really here. In fact, I think it has a hole in it. I thought I saw a hole in it somewhere. Maybe not. But as you can see, it's really ovaling out right there, egg-shaped, flattening out. There's a lot of restricted flow right there. Okay, we got some root intrusion here, probably from the palm tree. This is about where the palm trees start. And as you can see, it's very flat there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this thing's been, I'm pretty sure it's been recently snaked. Meaning like in the last year or so. Okay, we're getting closer to the clean out in the front yard. Yeah, here's a really bad section too. This is probably from the trees also. You know what happens, especially in a drought, once the roots find the source of water, everything, the plants direct all their energy into getting to that water, so that's probably why it's so flat in this area. Anyway, we're coming up on the clean out here. And as you can see, I'm transitioning. Looks like there's a little bit of cast iron in there. That's probably where it's coming from the house. And we're now pulling it up, looking down into the clean out. Okay, and then we're going to do a visual of the property to show that's where we're at. As you can see, they got the bin out there. Actually, you can see the palm trees that we were talking about. I don't think you can see the stump, but if you can see the flag right there, that's where the stump is. That's very close to where the stump is. Okay, that includes our inspection for today.